Hey everybody, this is Spencer. I got something interesting in the mail today that I kind of wanted to show to you. You see next to it is pictured my favorite bag, the Synapse 25 in Ballistic. You probably know what's coming, so I'm just going to go ahead and get to it because I'm a believer in brevity. So this is the first time I'm opening this. I wonder what it could be. Let's take a look. Let's see. Looks to be an invoice of some kind. That's pretty interesting. Put that aside. And what do we have here? I think this is a Synik 30. Okay, it totally is a Synik 30. And I'm giving you my first live impressions of it, mainly because I don't know what else to do. So usually when I get a new bag, the first thing I do is kind of play with it a little bit and then start moving stuff from my old bag. This is the precursor for a more thorough review. So probably already know a bunch about it. The clamshell opening like this. Oh yeah, that's nice. Tie down straps, padded laptop compartment, which is also accessible from the side, which is like hugely great. Because you know my love for my 15-inch MacBook Pro. So I'm just going to start by kind of just unpacking the stuff in my current bag and seeing what I can get into this thing. So I'm going to put my laptop here. Perfect fit. Zip that right up. Let's see. Put in my Freudian slip because I do like this thing and I would imagine it's probably going to fit. Yeah, it fits right in. iPad. I'm going to go ahead and unclip these. Oh, my body's like completely in the shot. You can hardly see what I'm doing here. Let's see. Is that better? All right. Let's try to keep myself out of the shot just a little bit so that way you can actually enjoy this for what it's worth. You might be wondering also why I'm doing this outdoors. It's because I'm filming this on a GoPro and the lighting in my house is not good and it turns out really grainy. That's why I'm in the beautiful Missouri outdoors. Thankfully, it's not too hot outside. First thing I noticed right away when I noticed these reviews is that besides the internal laptop compartment, there's also the two cache loops here, which is really important to me because I do carry around my iPad a lot as well. Let's see what else we can get in here. Move this right over here. Put in my snake charmer. I think a reviewer pointed out that there are more O-rings in here, which I do see. There are 3, and there's 3 in here. Well, he pointed them out somewhere. So I'm not really sure. I'm not a big O-ring guy, believe it or not. So, do that. All right, what else can we get in here? Oh, yes, my travel tray, which is always handy. Put that right in there. Excedrin for the occasional headache, especially if I'm causing them. And I think that's it, really, except for of course, my Bose headphones. Really not a lot to say at this point. I'll do a more thorough review later. I really like the design of the backpack. Believe it or not, I love that the patch is down here now. I don't know why, it's just a minor thing, but it's cool. And I can't wait to carry it around for a couple of days and give you my better impressions of it. Oh, somebody mentioned that the handle top is really nice, and I would have to agree, I really like this. It looks a lot better. I'm not sure, does it have the internal frame? It does have an internal frame. Okay, it did come with one, that's neat. I do love the internal frame on my Synapse. I use it a ton in this one because it's on the outside, won't take up room in the interior pocket, and neither will the cache sleeve. Initial impressions, this is awesome. Probably a new carry for me for a while, just because it's new. Will it replace my Synapse? I think that's the big question that people are going to have in their mind. Somebody mentioned on the Facebook group earlier that probably we're going to see a flood of Synapses, and that's probably true, chasing the new shiny thing. But in reality, this is kind of just like a Synapse with some changes. Some really welcome changes, but I don't think it makes the Synapse irrelevant. Certainly it won't make my Synapse irrelevant. I'll still use it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't really have much else to say at this point that you haven't already seen. Like I said, I'll do a more thorough comparison in the near future. Thanks.